Which is better, Loom or Descript? Now, it depends on what you need. If you need something simple, something quick, something fast to share, go with Loom. If you need something more in-depth, something more complex, go with Descript. Now, you can see from the UI of Descript itself, it already looks more complicated compared to Loom here, right? Although you can see this is just a website, but you can see how complicated Descript is. Now, let's go with Loom. Now, for Loom, it's much more user-friendly, much more easier to use, and there's a lot of intuitive features to go along with it as well. It has simple video editing, and again, this is more used for something simple, something quick, and something easy to share. So if you're looking to record something like a podcast, or if you're looking to record something like an in-depth long tutorial, then Loom won't be the one for you. You'll be kind of shooting yourself in the leg if you try to use Loom for that kind of thing. It's possible, yes, of course, but you'll kind of be doing a lot of extra work to make up for the lack of features that Loom has for in-depth videos. Again, it's much more meant to do something for really, really fast things that you just share to your coworkers. Now, what about pricing? For pricing, you can see you can get a starter bundle here for about $0, so free, and you can get up to 25 videos, right? But if you want something more intuitive, then of course you'll have to go with business, with which around $15 per month. And if you want the AI version, you'll have to pay $5 more for $20 per month. And for enterprise, then you'll have to go with a sale and you'll have to talk with them. Now, what about Descript? Descript is much more complicated, right? So this is what the UI look like. And what about the pricing? The pricing, let's take a look at it. Now, for the pricing, I'm pretty sure there's 3 tiers and there's no free tiers, right? So the 3 tiers is creator, hobbyist, and business. For business is around $70 per month. Creator is around $39 per month, so $40. And hobbyist is around $24 per month. And there's no free tier. So even the cheapest tier for Descript is is more expensive than the standard tier for Loom. So again, look at what you need. If you need something simple, go with Loom. If you want something more advanced, go with Descript.